Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Handy Dan from Garten of Banban. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the eyes with 2 circles. And now inside each one, let's add another large circle on the bottom right. And now let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move down and draw the nose with a triangle shape. Now underneath, let's draw a line down. Next, let's add the mouth. Let's start with a curve. Then from both ends, let's curve it out and back in. And then a curve underneath to close off the mouth. Now let's move inside and draw the tooth at the top. Let's draw a square shape down in the center. And then one more line inside down from the top. And that's it for the face. Next, let's move up and draw the shape of the head. Let's start by drawing a curve across the top. Then from both sides, let's curve it down and in. Next, let's hop up and add the ears. Let's start on the top left and let's draw an angled line up. Then let's curve it back down and in. Now let's do the same on the top right. Now inside each ear, let's add another curve. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath the head on the left side, and let's draw a curve out, and then curve it back in underneath towards the center. And let's do the same thing on the right. And now inside, let's add a large curve from the bottom up and back down. And that's it for the body. Next, let's move over and draw the arms. Let's start on the left side and let's draw a curve down. And then curve it back up and in. Now let's hop over to the right and let's draw the other arm by curving it up and then back down. And that's it for the arms. Next, at the ends, let's add the hands. Let's start on the bottom of the left arm and let's draw 2 curves down. Then bring it up and in from both sides. And then a V shape to close it off. Now let's hop over and draw the right hand. Let's start with 2 curves up. Then bring it in. and a V shape to close it off. And that's it for the hands. Next, let's move down and draw the feet. Let's start on the bottom left and let's draw a curve out and then bring it in. And the same thing on the right side. Now from the ends, let's curve it back in towards the center. And that's it for the feet. Lastly, let's add the tail on the top left. Let's start on the top left above the arm and let's draw a large curve up and then bring it back down to the hand. And then let's continue that line on the other side back down to the body. Now that we have the shape of the tail, next let's move in and draw the face. Inside at the top, let's draw a V shape. Now underneath, let's draw 2 circles for the eyes. And now inside each eye, let's add another circle on the bottom right. And now let's color both of these in black. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's hop down and draw the nose with a small angled line. Now a long angle underneath going in the opposite direction for the mouth. And then a V-shaped point underneath on the left for the tooth. And that's it for Handsy Dan. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!